Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Jeff. This is your updated forecast for Pinellas County, Manatee County, Hillsborough County, and your Pasco County, my Tampa Bay regional weather area. Right now, currently in Pasco County, we have sunny skies with 85 degrees. In Pinellas County, we have sunny skies with some clouds, both in Pasco and Pinellas, with clouds, and Pinellas County's temperature of 86 degrees. Hillsborough, sun and clouds with 88 degrees, and Manatee County, sun and clouds with 86 degrees as well. This is my new format that I'm going to start using in our forecast, and you'll see here we'll break it down here county by county each day daily. I'll put it out the night for the next following day, so your forecast will be available probably by 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. every day. And this is what the outline is going to look like. We're going to have clear, monitor, and then level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1 is intention, level 2 is action, and level 3 is urgent. Starting out with clear, we're going to go over this. So this video is going to be just a little bit longer so I can explain how it's going to work. On my daily weather impact summary, like I said, we're going to break it down into these categories. And in the clear category, no attention needed, no hazard expected, calm or clear weather or uneventful weather forecast. The monitor mode would be monitor for updates. Hazards are possible, potentially inconvenient weather forecasted. Attention level 1 would be attention needed. Hazard are anticipated, potentially disrupted weather forecast. Action is level 2, and action needed. Hazards are expected, potentially impactful weather forecasted. And urgent is level 3, immediate attention and action needed, particularly dangerous weather forecasted. So when we get in that red for your county area, for the Tampa Bay regional weather area that I cover from the photo weather guide, when we get in that red, that means you got to do something quickly and fast. When we get in the yellow, orange, and red, that's starting to get into where we need to take some actions on all 3 levels. And this is how it's going to look every single day. And this is for today. We're all in the monitoring mode. So let's go back. What the monitoring mode was: monitor for updates. Hazards are possible, potential inconvenient weather forecasted. And what I was looking up for any hazards today that we might have is maybe just an updated for the rain chances. But also I was looking at potential lightning in the area around the thunderstorms. So that is our potential hazard for inconvenient weather for forecasted for today would be lightning. And it's in the limited category, but still, yet it is there. So, but I did not put it in the yellow. I just wanted you to make aware of, so we have to monitor for any updates in that time frame. Like I said, we're all in the monitor categories: Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee County. Now let's break it down county by county, what to expect for the rest of today and tonight. For the rest of the day, we're going to have sunny and hot. High temperatures at 88 degrees, thunder after 4 p.m., and the winds are from the northeast at 8 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, isolated thunder before 9 p.m. and mostly clear, a low of 71 degrees. That's beautiful. And the winds are from the northeast at 7 to 10 miles an hour, and we might have some gusts. That's why we're in the monitor for any updates. And I'm keeping the rain chances in the forecast, although the latest weather models are not showing any rain. So I'm bringing it down to 10% from 20% in my forecast. They're still calling for 20%, but I'm calling down for 10%. But I'm still keeping the rain chances in there for Pinellas County. Hillsborough County, sunny and hot, a high of 89 degrees. Thunder at 4 p.m., and the winds are from the northeast at 8 to 10 miles an hour. Now, I'm keeping a 10% chance of rain in this forecast as well. I may have to bring this one up a little bit because the latest computer models are showing a little bit more activity again for Hillsborough County. So, isolated thunder before 8 p.m., mostly clear, a low of 69 degrees. That is beautiful too. The winds are from the northeast at 6 to 10 miles an hour, with some higher gusts up at 18. This is for Pasco County. This is for the rest of today. Sunny and hot, high of 88, isolated before 3 p.m. The winds are from the northeast at 7 to 10 miles an hour, with some higher gusts of 21 miles an hour. And Saturday night, isolated thunder before 8 p.m., mostly clear, a low of 68. The winds are from the northeast at 6 to 10 miles an hour, with a higher gust up to 18. This is finally for Manatee County. Sunny and hot, high of 89, isolated after 4 p.m., with winds northeast around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, thunder mainly before 7 and 8 p.m., mostly clear, a low of 70 degrees. The winds are from the northeast at 8 to 10 miles an hour, with some higher gusts up to 20. So in Manatee County, we need to pay special attention to that. Chance of rain. Now for the chance of rain for right now, as the latest weather models show, more of the rain more down toward Manatee County. This has been your Florida Weather Guys updated Saturday and Saturday night's forecast. I'll be back tomorrow evening. I'll be back later this evening, later tonight for Sunday's forecast. And then Sunday night, I'll be back for Monday's forecast. I want to thank you for tuning in for the forecast. Actually, let's go. Let me do one other quick thing real quick. I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to go to, there we go. Otherwise, there we go. This is the current radar. I'm going to bring this a little bit full, just a little bit. And we got to move that out of the way for right now. But over here, you can see just on the east coast of Florida, we got some showers and moving off to the Atlantic. Now let's look at the models, and let's take that off right now. I'll look at the models. Let's look at the Tampa Bay regional weather area. As you can see, it's not going to be very much today, the rainfall. Here's the temperatures. The Tampa Bay regional weather area. This is going in to late this evening, and you look like temperatures probably in the lower 70s. So that would be 8 o'clock this evening. This will be 11 o'clock, 2 a.m., and 6 a.m. So overall, about 72 degrees. That's 8 o'clock tonight, 11 o'clock, 2 a.m., and 6 a.m. So overnight, no rain to speak of. Alrighty. This has been your Florida Weather Guys official look at the models, look at the radar, also our forecast. If you have any additional questions, concerns in the YouTube channel, please put them in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you later tonight for Sunday's forecast. Have a great one for the rest of the day. If there's any updated, any hazards or severe weather or any other watches or warnings, I will come to you, send them probably through my telephone to the YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye for now.